there's a global government, and the global government sets laws and boundaries. For example, like Antarctica, where and outside of our understanding of the continentals, there's 122 actual continents, countries that make up the global. Well, so the president is upon in that situation as he has to abide by global rules. Outside of those global rules, the president does rule over its continent. However, there are rules. There's people like the council, stuff like that, that keep things, checks and balances, judicial type thing. But the president does get to make those decisions based off of all of the world knowledge. So, president has boundaries, but the president's boundaries do not extend to other countries. But regarding our country, yes, the president does have that authority to make those calls.